Many different countries use cultured cream as one of their favorite recipes. You will find cultured cream or creme fraiche in France, England, Mexico, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Slovakia, Ukraine, Poland, and many, many more. Maybe the names change, but the cream is basically the same thing: heavy cream cultured with wild or cultivated bacteria. Here in the US, we have sour cream, which is great, but it does not possess the nuttiness and flavor and the culinary application of a cultured cream like creme fraiche. Luckily, we can go into most supermarkets and buy creme fraiche, although at nearly $7, it's a bit pricey. But we can make our own at home with two common ingredients: heavy cream and cultured buttermilk. How this type of cream was invented is a bit of a mystery, but we know milk and cream that are raw and left at room temperature for a day or so will naturally sour and become thick as the bacteria create lactic acid, which lowers the pH and makes it somewhat shelf-stable and thickens it. This natural fermentation is fantastic and will create an ingredient with many uses in your kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it, and you'll want to pay attention to the very end to see the finished product. This is so easy. Step 1, get a glass jar that is sterile. You can pour boiling water in it, spill out the water, and then let it air dry before using, as we don't want any other bacteria competing with our ingredients and messing this up. My jars have been sterilized, so now I first add 1 tablespoon of cultured buttermilk. I just eyeball 3 teaspoons worth. Then I add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir this well to combine and then loosely cover it and let it sit at room temperature for at least 16 to 24 hours. Once this time is up, I place the jars in the refrigerator to chill for at least 6 hours. At that point, you will have a thick, creamy, nutty, and amazing cultured cream to use on a gazillion things in your kitchen, both sweet and savory.